Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to make some cute little pants for our little leggy frog so that his little frog legs don't get cold. So for this video, you're going to need any kind of size 6 bulky blanket yarn. Could be the velvet or just the regular blanket yarn, doesn't matter. Whatever color you want. I'm using a little khaki because my frog doesn't have any khaki pants, so he thinks he needs some for fancy occasions. You'll also need a size J or 6mm crochet hook, a little yarn needle, and some scissors, and I believe that is all. All right, so to get started with this, we're going to start with a leg, and you're actually going to be making 2 of these. So let's get started with the first one. So we're going to start with a little slip knot, and then I'm going to chain 9. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now I'm going to slip stitch into the first chain to create a loop. So just yarn over, slip stitch. Now I've got a little ring of 9 chains. Now for round 1, I'm going to chain 1 and single crochet in each chain around. And I'm going to crochet over my end just to cover it up. So there's 1, here's 2, here's 3, and 4, Oh, let me make sure I'm not going into the same one twice. Here we go, 4, oh, there we go. And here's 5, here is 6, and 7, and 8, and 9. Where are you, 9? Right there. Okay, that first round is always a little tricky. And now you're just going to slip stitch into the very top of your very first single crochet, which is right there. Slip stitch, and round 1 is done. Now for round 2, this is for round 2 through 6. You're just going to chain 1 and single crochet in each stitch around. So it'll be 9 each time. So here's 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, here's 7, here's 8, and here's 9. And then once again, slip stitch to the top of your first one and chain 1. Now round 3, single crochet around again. Here's a 1 and a 2, here's a 3 and a 4, here's a 5, yep, and 6, here's 7, and 8, and 9. Slip stitch to your first single crochet, chain 1. Round 3 is done. Now round 4. Uh-oh. A 1. Oh dear. Oh, 1. Getting crazy today. Here's 2. and 3. Here's 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9. Slip stitch, and that is round 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 1, and for round 5, single crochet around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Slip stitch to our first stitch. All right, now we are on our last round for this little leg. Going to chain 1 and round 6, a single crochet in each stitch around. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and slip stitch. Now, if this is your first leg, you are going to cut your yarn, and you can either weave in your end or you can just crochet over your end. But if this is your first leg, you're going to chop, chop, chop. And if this is your second leg, you're going to leave your hook connected. Through the magic of YouTube, I already have my leg crocheted. Ooh, all right. So this is my second leg then. And I'm going to cut this end that I crocheted over at the beginning because it's driving me crazy. There we go. Okay. Now, second leg. So we've done all of our rounds, and now we are going to chain 2. 1, 2. Now we're going to grab our first leg that we made, and we're going to slip stitch into any stitch along the top. Just like that. Slip stitch. And now our legs are connected, okay? Now we're going to chain 1, and we're going to be working along this first leg that we just slip stitched into, and we're going to just single crochet in each stitch around. So that'll be 9 single crochets. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we should be at our little chain here, and you're going to single crochet in each of the 2 chains. 1 and 2. Now I'm going to tuck this end in here so it's not getting in my way. And now we're back to the second leg, and we're going to single crochet in each stitch around. So once again, that'll be 9 single crochets. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, And now there's 9. And now we're on the other side of that chain 2, and we're going to put a single crochet in each of the chains. Here's a 1 and a 2. And then we're back to the beginning, our very first single crochet. We're just going to slip stitch to the top of it. There we go. And now we've just connected our legs right there with round 7. So now for rounds 8, 9, and 10. So 3 full rounds, we're going to chain 1 and single crochet in each stitch around, and it should be 22 stitches all the way around. So 9 and 9 and 2 and 2. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and slip stitch to the top of your first single crochet and chain 1. And we'll do it again for round 9, 22 stitches around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22, and slip stitch to the top. All right, and now we just want to do that one more time for round 10. Chain 1 and single crochet in each stitch around for 22 stitches. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22, and slip stitch to the top of our first stitch. All right, almost done. Now we're on our very last round. So we're going to chain 1, And this is round 11. So for this one, we're going to single crochet in 9 stitches and then single crochet 2 together. And we're just gonna repeat that. So here's 1 single crochet, 2, here's 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, and now single crochet 2 together. So insert your hook, draw up a loop, insert your hook in the next one, draw up a loop, yarn over, draw through all 3 loops, and then single crochet 9 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now we'll single crochet 2 together again. Insert your hook, draw up a loop, insert your hook in the next one, draw up a loop, yarn over, draw through all 3 loops, and then slip stitch to the top of your very first single crochet. All right, Mr. Frog's pants are all done. So I'm just gonna chop my yarn, and then you will now need your little yarn needle to weave in your end. Let's see here. I'm just gonna bring it down through the top and through the bottoms of some of these single crochets. And then bring it to the inside and chop it. Now I'm going to show you the easiest way to get these pants onto Mr. Frog, because it's kind of hard to get his little legs through there. Oh, I'm also going to cut that first yarn that was from my first leg that I cut. There we go. Okay, now let's go find a frog and I'll show you how to put these pants on him. All right. Here is a handsome little frog with a nice little bow tie. I think that he needs some fancy khaki pants, right? So the easiest way to do it is to get your little crochet hook and to put it through the leg here. Put it through the leg of the pant, okay? And then you can grab his little foot and pull it on down through. There we go. Because otherwise it's a little tricky to get his leg and try to push it all the way through. So I like to use my hook. You can push his leg through, but it's just a little tricky. And pull it all down through. All right, Mr. Frog, your bow tie is crooked. I guess I need to sew that down so it stays in place, huh? But you still look really handsome. Okay, look at these khaki pants. He's ready to go have brunch somewhere, okay? With his other friend over here, wearing his handsome little slacks with a scarf. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.